How to set up Google Family Link for kids. Firstly, on your device, open App Store or Google Play Store. Now go to the search bar on the top and search for Google Family Link. Search for it and you will see this kind of app. This is from official Google. This app is called Google Family Link. If you haven't installed it, then install it to your device. And if you have already installed it, then look for any kind of updates that may be available. Once it gets installed, click on Open to open the app. Once it has been opened, then you will need to set up your account. While you are doing this, make sure that you also download the same app on your children's phone. Now here on your phone, click on Yes. Now it will give you a small tutorial on what to do on your kid's mobile. On your kid's phone, open Settings. After that, go to Google and then Parental Controls. Now follow the steps to set up parental controls. Once you have done that, then come back to your device and click on Done. Now you will need to create a new Google account for your child. When you do that, then follow the on-screen prompts to choose. That's all for today. Thank you.